It took 24 months for Twitter to reach 1 million users, 16 months for LinkedIn, 10 months for Facebook, 2.5 months for Instagram. But ChatGPT took just 5 days to reach 1 million users. It just got popular in no time. Why is it getting so much popular? And what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a software developed by OpenAI, which is a large-scale deep learning language model that uses machine learning techniques to generate human-like text. It is trained on a vast amount of text data and can generate coherent and coherent text in a wide range of languages and styles. It is specifically designed for use in chatbots and conversational applications. It is trained to understand and respond to natural language inputs in a way that is similar to how a human would respond in a conversation. ChatGPT can be used for many things, like building chatbots for customer service. Basically, you can ask anything like what is theory of relativity, or asking for any book summary or lines of code, literally anything or any type of question, and it will answer it accurately. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating conversational applications that can understand and respond to natural language inputs in a way that is similar to how a human would respond, and in very engaging manner. And it's just a beginning.